Hey everyone, this is Shar of YellowYum and I come sharing good news. If you follow me on social media, then you may already know this, that I am part of the VPharma family. I'm one of their brand ambassadors, and given that I am currently pregnant, it actually excites me so much that I am going to be partnering with VPharma in this journey. So if you aren't familiar with VPharma, you may be familiar with some of their very famous products such as Mega Malunggay and Mega Mangosteen and even Bifina. I'm very excited to share with you things about the brand and even their products, and also to share with you my experience with them. So during the launch, they gave us all a little kit like this of their products so that we can try out and use their products. So I wanted to unbox and show you what's inside. Here it is! Ta-da! I'm gonna go through all of the products and give you a few details about them. First and foremost is of course Mega Malunggay, which is I think their most famous product. This one has 500 milligrams of malunggay leaves and also 100 milligrams of vitamin C. I've taken malunggay capsules when I was breastfeeding with Robyn, and I really think that it helped a lot. If you didn't know, I was able to breastfeed my daughter for 3 years and 2 months. I think one of the things that really helped me was taking supplements like malunggay capsules. What's different with Mega Malunggay is it is a 600 milligram capsule, so it's quite large, and since it already has vitamin C is actually known to help absorb iron content and other nutrients from your malunggay capsules or malunggay leaves. So that means that it's going to help your body absorb everything that you need to absorb from the supplement that you're taking. I'm actually gonna start taking my Mega Malunggay now because I am on my 32nd week of pregnancy. That's a good time to start taking your malunggay supplements. So I'm gonna take 1 capsule a day for now, and when I reach 36 weeks, I'm gonna double it up and take 2 capsules, and once the babies are born, I'm gonna be taking 4 capsules just to help my breastfeeding journey. Next, we have Mega Mangosteen right here. It's also a 600 milligram capsule, and it has 500 milligrams of mangosteen and 100 milligrams of malunggay leaves. Based on research, this one has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and also anti-fatigue properties. So if you are pregnant, you can actually start taking this once you give birth, and I think it's going to be very helpful since, let's face it, it's really hard work having to take care of newborns, and you're definitely going to be dead tired. This is going to help you with that, and it's also going to promote heart health and also lower down cholesterol. Next is the Mega Ampalaya, which is also a 600 milligram capsule. This one has 500 milligrams ampalaya, which is known to help balance blood sugar. So if you are diabetic or you're already reaching that point, this is going to help balance your blood sugar. And like what I said, it also has 100 milligrams of malunggay leaves. Help protect cells from damage by free radicals. Next product is the Health Aid Bifina, and this one is a probiotic supplement that contains live probiotic strains. What's different about the Bifina R is that it's double coated, which is designed to effectively deliver the probiotic strains straight to your intestines. And when it reaches your intestines, that's the time that the probiotics will flourish and help improve your gut. It's just a little stick type like that, so you can easily travel with it and bring it anywhere. Next is the Naturally Virgin Coconut Oil, which is a premium grade virgin coconut oil extracted from fresh coconuts without the use of heat. All natural, and it's edible. Since it is not flavored and there's no artificial color, it's safe for cooking. You can also take it as is or use it as moisturizer for your skin. You know that you can also take this to help promote weight loss. You can take this and then it will provide you energy that you need without it being stored as fat. VCO is also known to reduce heart disease. It's also known as antifungal and antibacterial, and also has antiviral properties. With that, we also have a naturally virgin coconut oil handmade soap. It has antibacterial, antifungal, and antimicrobial properties. It's unscented and uncolored, so you can use it even for your kids. It's not going to irritate their skin. So this is what it looks like. I also have here a pack of Herbilogy, which is a plant-based superfood that's all organic, and it's perfect for everybody in the family. So this one right here is the matcha powder or Japanese green tea. Only need a small amount, like a teaspoon of it, and put water, and you can have your matcha drink right away. The products of Herbilogy is free of sugar and also MSG, and it's gluten-free also, so it's really safe for everybody to take. They also gave us the Pro Freeze reusable ice sheets. It can keep it cool for 12 hours. This is your mess-free alternative to ice, so instead of using ice packs that will just melt, you can use this instead. Each sheet has 24 cubes, and you can cut it however you want it. So if you are a breastfeeding mom, a pumping mom, you need this so that you can easily transport your breast milk without the risk of spoilage. You can also use this for emergencies like injuries, if you need a cold compress or something there. And some people even use this for the groceries. So if you buy meat or some frozen food, you can use this in your chiller or in your cooler to keep them cool. I also got Herbilogy breastfeeding tea right here, and this already contains sweet leaf and fenugreek, and it helps with breastfeeding. I can start taking this once I give birth. So that is it. That's all that I got from VPharma. They still have other products. I'm going to put their link in the description box below if you want to know more about their products. And if you are pregnant like myself, please don't take the Mega Mangosteen and Mega Ampalaya first, and even the breastfeeding tea. Don't take those yet. Wait until you give birth before taking it. What is safe for you to take, especially when you're already on your 8th month of pregnancy, is the Mega Malunggay to help increase your breast milk and to help prepare your body for lactation. So I'm very excited to start this journey with VPharma, and rest assured I'm going to be sharing my reviews with you and my thoughts on the products. For now though, I'm here to share with you a promo code if you are going to purchase VPharma products. You can use YellowYum loves VPharma. I'm gonna put it right here when you go shopping on their website. That ends this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye!